Hello, my name is Huang. The name of my project is Database Management Project Online League of Legends Database Application. There's only one person in my team, which is me, and my NU ID is 0017252020. My name is Huang, and my goal of this project is to build a web-based database system so that users will benefit from data collection and information sharing efficiency. Now let's go to the slide. And about the problem statement there, which is composed of 6 parts. The first part is user data management, which allow users to register, log in, log out the application, and user can choose to be admin or normal user. And the second part is the domain model. The domain is the online game League of Legends champions data, which has champions ID, name, title, blurb, and lore. And the user can comment and like any users and champions. And the champion is composed of ID, name, title, blurb, and lore. Delete any of these fields will not result in deleting the champions. However, if we delete the champion, the comments related to that champion will be removed as well. There are 2 kinds of users, which is our normal user and admin user. Normal user can only search, comment, and like. However, except for those features, admin user can update, delete any data in the database. And the users is composed of registration, login, logout, search, and like champion. Now let's go to the demo part. And here's the login page for this application. If I don't have an account, just click the login button. We will redirect to the registration pages. And we just type in our username and password and role. Now we choose to be an admin user. So we add, so here's the account we just created. Now let's go back to the login page. So we just, if I type the password incorrectly, it will show that user and password combination not found. So if I type, now this time I will type the password correctly, and I choose to be admin. And now here's the next page, which has a search, profile, and logout button. If I choose the search button, I can search the champions by champions ID. I choose the first one, and here's my name. I click the search button, and here's the result. And this champion's name is me. When I click this button, you can see here, this is a hyperlink, and I can see the champion's details, which is the blurb and lores of the champion. And in addition, as an admin user, I can update this champion's information. Like if I click select button and I change the title, the dark, into the dark chart, and I click the update button. So next time I search for that champion, you see that the title of that champion has been changed into the dark chart. And next part, if I click this, I will see all the comments about champions. And now I want to make comment about the first champion, which champion's name is Annie. And I type, I love these champions. And I can see that here's a comment about the champions. As an admin user, I can delete that comment as well. So let's go back to search, and I want to search for Annie. And I want to, as an admin user, I want to like Annie. Just select and like. And when I go back to the profile page, you can see here Here's the like champion. For my account, I like the champion, which ID is 1, and title is the dark chart, and the name is Annie. Now, here's all about the admin user, and now I can log out. I want to register for another user, which is a normal user. So I just click here and just type normal, and here's a normal user. Here, the it looks like exactly the same as an admin user for this page, but if I click the search button and I want to search the champions, which its ID is 2, and you can see here I can only like that champion, but I cannot update or change or delete or create any champions. So here's the same. That is the champions details, champions informations, and the blurb and lores of the champions. And this is the comment. So I can also make comments about this champion. This champion is OB. Can see here I can make comment about the champion, but I cannot delete that comments. So this time I want to like that champions as a normal user. Just select that button and click the like. And when I go back to the profile page, here's my like champion, which is 2. I just like the Olaf, these champions. Now that's all about my application. And now let's go back to this slide. And there are 10 list of use case analysis and about the techniques and architecture I use in this application is I retrieve data from Web API by JWS, and I use JPA ORM to create retrieve data and delete data in the database. And I create local web pages by using Tomcat connection and developing JSP files. And description about this web API. The name of this web API is Rod Game API, and here's a link. And this API provides plenty of data like champions information, games, statistic data, rules, descriptions, and so on. And here's a class diagram. There are 2 kinds of users, normal user and admin users. And user can like any champions, and a user can make comments about any champions. And here's a screenshot about the UI pages. And finally, here's a reference to video, GitHub, Google document. That's all about it. Thank you very much.